Thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to be creating a grass effect on a fondant or sugar paste cake. This can be used as a grass effect or also the fur for animal effect when you've got fondant or also known as sugar paste. This is what I've done already. I thought I'd show you how it can be done. So I have my cake covered in fondant, and also I have my nozzle. This is a Gem 234 nozzle. I also have a brush. This is just to clean the nozzle in between while doing this effect. So you hold onto your nozzle. I find putting my thumb and holding it with my index finger is easier on the side. Put the nozzle up against the cake and just press and twist. Press and twist, press and twist, and just keep going. Nozzle a clean just by, it is messy but it's a great effect for the cake. You can just brush off the extra bits of fondant just very lightly with your finger. Give it a good tap on the table too. Continue doing this. I just thought I should quickly show you on how it can be achieved. And there you go. There's your grass greenery effect. Thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe. Thanks again. Hi, welcome and thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today what we're going to be showing you is how to be doing ruffles on a cake.